Welcome, enthusiasts. Today we embark on a journey through the fascinating world of cannabis-infused honey. But before we dive in, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more intriguing content like this. Chapter 1. The Origins of Cannabis-Infused Honey. In the annals of medical history, few documents hold as much significance as the Ebers Papyri. As one of the oldest collections of writings in ancient history, the Ebers Papyri dates back to approximately 1500 BCE. This remarkable manuscript offers a window into the medical practices of ancient civilizations, particularly those of the Egyptians. Among its fascinating remedies lies prescriptions that call for the use of cannabis-infused honey. Cannabis, known as Shemshemet, was referenced for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, qualities that likely contributed to its effectiveness in treating various ailments such as open wounds, ulcers, and various gynecological illnesses. As historical records extend beyond Egypt, we find further evidence of cannabis-infused remedies in cultures such as Azerbaijan. Mumin's manuscript from 1669 documents the cannabis-infused honey to treat conditions such as bowel ulcers. To mitigate the effects of the illness, iskanjabin, a mixture of honey and vinegar, was recommended. The recognition of cannabis honey for medicinal potential persisted through the centuries, with medical journals and texts from the 19th century shedding light on its use in childbirth. In 1851, the Monthly Journal of Medical Science of Edinburgh acknowledged cannabis-infused honey ability to enhance uterine contractions during labor, while the Dispensatory of the United States in 1854 endorsed its use to aid in contractions during childbirth. Chapter 2. Unveiling Cannabis-Infused Honey. Known interchangeably as CannaHoney or cannabis honey, this elixir represents a harmonious marriage of two natural wonders, honey and cannabis. But what sets CannaHoney apart is the myriad ways in which it can be enjoyed and utilized. From a simple drizzle over morning toast to a sweetener in herbal teas, its versatility knows no bounds. Chapter 3. Cannabis Honey Varieties. In this chapter, we'll explore the fascinating varieties of cannabis-infused honey and the unique properties they offer. First up, we have THC honey. Packed with tetrahydrocannabinol, this variant delivers a euphoric high that many cannabis connoisseurs seek. Next, we have CBD honey. Infused with cannabidiol, this honey provides a soothing and calming effect, perfect for relaxation and stress relief. Moving on to full-spectrum honey. This variety captures the essence of the entire cannabis plant. Last but not least, isolate honey. For those seeking the therapeutic benefits of CBD without the psychoactive effects, this honey contains only pure CBD compounds. Chapter 4. Raw versus refined honey. Honey comes in two forms, raw and refined. Raw honey. Raw honey is a pure embodiment of nature's bounty, collected straight from the honeycomb without any alteration. At the heart of raw honey lies bee pollen, a tiny but mighty ingredient packed with antioxidants. Another invaluable component found in raw honey is bee propolis. This sticky substance may aid in improving cholesterol and triglyceride levels, thereby promoting heart health in humans. Refined honey? On the flip side, we have refined honey, which undergoes a process of pasteurization. While this process yields a smoother texture and uniform appearance, it comes at a cost. The heat involved in pasteurization can diminish the nutrient content and antioxidants present in raw honey, compromising its health benefits. Chapter 5. How is cannabis honey made? Step 1. Decarboxylation. This is the process of heating cannabis to activate its chemical properties. Initially, cannabis harbors tetrahydrocannabinolic acid, THCA, and cannabidiolic acid, CBDA, which are the inactive precursors to THC and CBD. Through decarboxylation or decarbing, these compounds are activated, transforming into active THC and CBD. To start the decarboxylation process, preheat the oven to 240 degrees Fahrenheit and spread the cannabis on a baking sheet. Bake for 30-40 minutes, stirring every 10 minutes until the color changes from bright green to brown. Step 2. Heat. To embark on this process, you'll need a bowl and a small pot. Opt for a bowl just slightly larger than the pot. Begin by filling the pot halfway with water and setting it over low heat, making sure the temperature remains between 150 and 160 degrees Fahrenheit. In the bowl, blend together the bundled cannabis and the honey. Position the bowl securely over the pot of simmering water. Feel free to get creative by introducing additional flavors like coconut or sunflower oil to elevate the taste. Let the mixture gently heat for 1.5 to 2 hours, giving it an occasional stir along the way. Step 3. Strain. After completing the infusion process, take the mixture off the heat. While it's still warm, carefully strain it through either a cheesecloth or a fine mesh strainer into a glass jar. Step 4. Store and enjoy. Before we wrap up, if you have any questions or ideas for future videos, we'd love to hear from you. Please drop them in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more content like this. Your support is very much appreciated. Thanks again for watching. Until next time, stay curious.